Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be unboxing another Rapt another V1 Rapt. So for example, I'll show you guys some of my V2 Rapts I have. So these are all of my V2. So this is the SSS full body titanium. This is the SGS with no grooves in white Damascus. This is black Damascus body and white Damascus inlay SGS. One side groovy, one side no grooves. And then this is the stainless steel body and white Damascus inlay SSS. SSI. And then this is the SGI. And then this is the full stainless steel SGS. And then this is the stainless steel V1 swirl or spiral, I don't know, whatever people call it. But today we're going to be unboxing another V1 Rapt. Pretty excited about it. I like the material that it comes in, or that I got it in, and yeah, let's get right to it. So I did a trade for this for a spinner, and yeah, I think only reason I took this trade is because of the material. I like titanium, so yeah, pretty excited. There we go. Nicely packaged. So titanium wrapped machine finish Meathammer. All right, here we go. All right, here it is. Go ahead and take it out. Put this aside. And there you go. Great condition, just see a few scratches, and that's about it. I can already tell you guys, I freaking love this thing. Plates are used, not that worn out though. So let me get the scale and weigh this thing. $57. Not a bad weight. Again, I'll compare these things in a bit with weight and stuff like that. But first, I want to take it apart. So for that, I'm gonna need this. Some water over here. All right. I think this is the aluminum hybrid. It's what it feels like. Or maybe plastic hybrid. But we shall see right now. With some dampeners. Yep. Like I guess the aluminum hybrids with some foam dampeners. Nice. Oh my god, number 7. Pretty low. But yeah. Alright. Put this back. Wait, hold on a second. These are V2 plates. that is pretty interesting, because I'm pretty sure this comes with, it should come with V1 plates, no? Or am I getting something wrong? We gotta ask around in the group. I don't think. Yeah, I think this was upgraded with V1 plates. Or maybe not. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm gonna give it a bit of time. I'm gonna play with it, and then I'll get back to you guys. All right, guys, I'm back. It's been a couple of days since I unboxed this thing. Oh my god, I've gotta say, I absolutely love this thing. It's nice, snappy. It's just amazing in every way. The grip, the feel, just the size, the shape. I love it. It's so good. It's like become one of my top Rapts for sure, no question at all. And yeah, I mean, this is my other daily, the End of World Finish titanium Rapt. This is the one I usually carry with me, but not gonna lie, I have carried this thing with me once or twice already. I love it. It's such an amazing Rapt. Texture on it is great, nice grip. I talked to Jonas as well. He said mainly this design came up because of the grip. He wanted something with a lot of grip, and then yeah, this came to his mind, I guess. But it's amazing. I can't say it more than enough times. It's just, I don't know. I wish I was in the fidget world back when these things were made. I think it's been a couple of years now. But I would have definitely ordered a lot of titanium, a lot of Zerk, and some, what's it called? Some exotic materials like maybe Zerkatite or white Damascus, black Damascus, Makume, and maybe even superconductor. I don't know. That would be cool with these like things, because of the etching and the machining. That would have looked pretty cool. But yeah, if you can get your hands on one, copper, brass, bronze, stainless steel, titanium, Zerk, go for it. They're pretty good. You will not regret your decision. But yeah, I dig it. So just stay tuned. There'll be a lot more videos with this thing coming soon, comparing it to some other ones, like very deep, in-depth reviews. So stay tuned. But yeah, Modusworks Rapt are just amazing. Jonas machines them, and then for some spinners, he even like handmade them himself on a lathe machine. So yeah, check out his Facebook page as well, Modusworks family on Facebook. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to turn on the bell notifications, and make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, and make sure to check out the channel sponsors down below. You can use my code, get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.